Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a no foundation makeup tutorial. Super quick, simple, and perfect for every day. First, I'm using a Cetaphil cleanser. I've washed my face, and as you can see, my skin looks fresh and clean. Now I'm applying Pond's Gel Moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated and soft. For my eyes, I'm taking a warm brown shade from my eyeshadow palette and applying it softly on my eyelids for a natural look. Now I'm applying Maybelline Kajal to define my eyes. Next, I'm using Mars mascara to make my lashes look longer and more open. Now I'm lining my lips with Mars lip liner in the shade Choco Butter 14. And then I'm applying any of my favorite light shade lipstick. And that's it, my simple, natural, no foundation makeup look is done. Final look. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more easy makeup tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye guys.